Okay, I gotta make sure everything is connected. These pipes right here, the return and the out, make sure everything is connected. Make sure the torque converter's connected to the flywheel. I mean, make sure everything's connected. This right here, I mean, just go over everything and double do everything, like double check everything. I can't stress that enough. Got the output shaft already in. I mean, I tightened these up already. I already tightened it up, like maybe to make sure. I done it twice to make sure they're on spec. This is on spec, the torque converter to the flywheel. These are good right here. I mean, just check everything. Okay, I got this connected, the speed sensor connected, and over here I got this connected, got the torque converter connected. I haven't got the dust cover on because I want to make sure it's not leaking when I go ahead and start it up. But before I did that, I put some bearing grease right inside the flywheel. That the torque converter goes inside this thing. I put some bearing grease on the inside. Not a lot, but all right, I got everything tightened up. Made sure everything's tight. Made sure the engine oil is exactly where it needs to be on level. And the transmission is propped up. Okay, I got the transmission or the vehicle jacked up so the transmission can be level with the ground. So this thing is perfectly level. Okay, if you can see this, take out this one right here. That one right there. Pull it out. That is your fuse for your pump, for your gas pump. It's right there. All right, go ahead and take your keys, put it in, and start it up like you're going to start it up. I'm doing this so all the fluid can go throughout all the transmission to get it pumped up. And it also helps your engine to pump up oil. I'm gonna do it for 5 seconds. Okay, do it again. One more. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put the fuse back in. All right, go ahead and take your fuse and put it right back in here, right there. All right, go ahead and get your key again and start it up. Yes, yes. It started up. Woo! All right, now it's starting up. Go ahead and check, see if there's any kind of leakage. If you're leaking transmission fluid, make sure you're not leaking at all. Let me go around the other side so I can see better. Okay, it looks pretty good. Let me crawl up under there more. Okay. It looks good. I
it warms up, it's about right here, where in between these two lines, that line and this line, when it warms up. So I'm going to check it to see if it's on this line. If not, if it's below, I need to add more. I read an article online. It says anywhere from 12 to 13 quarts of oil in the transmission. So let me see where it's at. And it's still cold. It's still cold. It's still cold. But then again, it is 27 degrees outside. I'm gonna run it through all its gears for at least 30 seconds. It's below that line, so I need to keep adding. I need to add more. So yeah, it's below that line.